Are you okay?
I think so, thanks to you.
We need to find shelter before nightfall. And we have to stick together.
We'll get out of here. Right? Someone will come for us?
We need to stay strong. Help will come, but we need to survive until then.
What was that? Everyone, stay close. We don't know what's out there.
This place. It's like nothing I've ever seen.
Stay alert. We don't know what's still here.
We need to find out what's inside. It might be our only way out.
What is this place?